so it might not hold. If it doesn't hold, then I'm gonna have to go out and find some 3M Velcro straps on my own. Now we're going to be taking out these Velcro patches, and we're going to be gluing them back into the foam. Now the reason I'd taken the Velcro out originally with the padding is because the cracks were in where the Velcro grooves, we'll call them. So. Alright, so here we have the damaged area here, and over here. So I got some material the other day, some adhesive spray for fabric, and also I got this foam here that I'm gonna cut. So we're gonna cut two pieces, one there, and then we're gonna cut another strip over here to make sure that it covers the whole spot. This would have gone right through the seat, so this whole cover would be completely damaged, and I would have to try and I'd be stuck trying to find another one. So I'm glad I actually took apart this seat when I did, so now we can repair it before it actually gets any worse. So this is what we're doing. So now as you can see, I cut the piece off over here. I cut it all around, and so now I should be able to just put on some glue onto this side here. Once the glue is on this side here, I'll put it back on carefully, and we'll let it dry, and that should be okay. That should make this spot durable for quite some time. So. Hopefully the handy dandy Gorilla Glue is going to function the way it did to seal up the cracks. So that's what I'm hoping. I know this is like 3M stuff, so it might not hold. If it doesn't hold, then I'm gonna have to go out and find some 3M Velcro straps on my own, because these are normally 3M, kind of like you peel off, stick on kind of deal, right? These are not supposed to be coming off, but as previously mentioned, we had no other choice. So. Hopefully this will add some extra glue also to the repairs, right? That'd be awesome. That'd be like an added bonus. And we're almost out of glue. So basically I took a whole bottle of Gorilla Glue to get this cushion repaired, which is fun because in the end it's still more cheaper than what it would have cost to get it repaired by a professional. in my opinion, with the material we used, we'll have professional results. Some people will probably beg to differ, but that's okay. We can all agree to disagree. The proof is in the pudding, right? Isn't that what they say? There we go. How's that? How you like them apples? Full of sayings tonight, right? This is where it's all crushed here. Back. Feel it. There we go. So, let's see how this dries up.